Hey guys, welcome back to my
channel.
We are currently in Istanbul Airport and we have a layover. We are heading for our honeymoon to Bangkok and Thailand, actually in general, not just Bangkok. So while we're here in Istanbul Airport, we're here for 8 hours. We have an 8-hour layover just like we did in Qatar. So I am going to show you around Istanbul Airport. This is the main Istanbul Airport, not Sabiha Gökhan. So let's explore together and let's do this. Let's go. Anything we need to buy from the duty free? Some chocolates, maybe to take on the flight.
Yeah, we need something like this. We have a long flight.
So unlike Doha Airport, the airport feels like an airport, an actual airport. It's beautiful, it's nice, very well organized, but it feels nothing like Doha Airport. I'm gonna be comparing a lot with Doha Airport because we were supposed to fly into Doha Airport. So they've got a very nice Turkish delight section with plenty of options like baklavas, these Fatima lokum desserts. This looks so good. I think Pierette is trying to get some alcohol. She found like a Bailey's tiny bottle. Okay, this is not so tiny, that's all right. Yeah, just get one. So they've got tobacco, very nice tobacco section. The chocolate section is cool. Turkish delight section is my favorite so far. Just to quickly note here, the prices are beyond expensive. Like this tiny box is for 20 euros and 30 euros, and you've got stuff that costs what? 30 euros. Yeah, but the section looks cheap. Like, come to this section. If you look at this section, you have stuff that go way over.
Expensive.
Like, look at the figs, 60 euros. Baklava for 50 euros. This costs 20 euros. Have you tried lokum before?
Never.
Basically, lokum is raha in Arabic, and it's a mix of pomegranate and coconut. So I think we're gonna get this and this Bailey's bottle.
Yeah, for the flight.
This should be a whopping 40 euros, probably, yeah, 40 euros. Let's go check. Anything else we need from this section? Chocolates?
For sure, no.
Yeah, I think so too. I am definitely going to get some. Thank you so much.
Try, please.
Yes, I would definitely love to try. Very nice of this gentleman.
Sorry.
No problem. Enjoy your meal.
Delicious, thank you.
Wow, this
You're
is
welcome.
chocolate baklava?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is what I
Belgica
wanted.
chocolate.
Can we get like a small tiny box to take with us on the...
Minimum 250 gram.
All right.
10 or 8 piece.
All right. Yes, let's go for that, please.
Sorry, where is this?
Turkish delights. It's over there, here. This one.
taste
Yes.
Roasted pistachio.
This is like lokum. So this per kilo is 100 euros. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh my god. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Long day, yeah.
Passport and boarding.
Sure. Thank you. We got some chocolate baklava. It turned out to be around 8 pieces, which is around 100 grams. And 100 grams cost 28 euros from Istanbul Airport. It's a huge airport.
I love it, actually.
You get to do a lot of cardio.
Yes, this is why. You know me very well.
So far in this very huge airport, we found 2 terraces where you can go and smoke. This is the West Terrace. Let's show you what the West Terrace looks like. You've got the East Terrace, which is at least 20-minute walk. At least, minimum. Is it
It's
raining?
raining over there.
So you've got rain. There's no rain here.
Why would I stand here if I don't smoke?
2 hours have already passed from our layover. Now that we've showed you the smoking area, let's go and show you the variety of restaurants available in this airport. You've got a lot scattered around on the main floor of this terminal, but you've also got a wide variety on the top floor. So let's go check out the top floor. Are we going to be buying any food?
I think we're going to eat at the lounge, no? I'm
Yeah.
excited to see what's...
Yes. I think the lounge is where we're going to grab our bite and just relax for a
And
bit.
if we don't like what they serve, then we go and pick up some
Buy a
other
cheeseburger
restaurant.
or Subway.
Yeah, why not?
This is what I was telling you guys about. You go upstairs and you have a variety of Sbarro pizza.
We have Pierre and I.
Yeah.
Is it the same one?
I'm sure it's exactly the same. So you have Subway, Arby's, Burger King, Popeyes, Sbarro pizza. I haven't had Sbarro pizza since I was a little kid living in Kuwait. So I don't know. It sounds tempting, doesn't it? So this is Sbarro.
Look at this one. What
You,
is this?
you want a slice? We can get one slice? Yeah?
I'm
Hello.
not sure which one.
Do we order from here or from... Okay, let's go. I'm gonna have a pepperoni.
Pepperoni or
Yeah? And what do you want? Let's share.
I shared with you.
Just one? We got
Yeah,
one?
one.
All right. Just one pepperoni, please.
Prices are really expensive. What's that? 15 euros for one beer?
Okay, sir, thank you.
Thank you. How much do you think this pizza slice is going to cost?
Wanna run?
This Istanbul Airport is competing very much with Doha Airport when it comes to...
Everything is so expensive. Definitely we're eating in the lounge.
Yes, please.
Bucket things? Okay.
So one slice of pizza. Thank you so much. One slice of pizza is for $9 almost. $9, guys. Thank you so much.
With the camera. Eat your 9 euros.
I just bought a €9 pizza slice. Have a seat.
You're not allowed to buy anything else for the rest of the night.
This layover is actually starting to become more of an expense than just a layover. It's an expensive layover. $9 and you hardly have any cheese. Sbarro, why are you doing this to me? Why? What do you think?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? $9 fail. If you don't have lounge access and you have no other options, then the food court is actually really cool because you have different like burger options, surat, I don't know what, you have Salt Bay, you have fast food. So it's not bad if you don't have lounge access, but if you do have lounge access, I don't think the options are worth spending money at, especially that it's the price is overinflated, overpriced, I don't know what to call it. It's way too expensive. For now, let's go and check out the Turkish Airlines Business Lounge. All right, let's check this out. This is our first time at the Business Lounge in Istanbul Airport, so let's check it out. Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys? Is this the Business Lounge?
Yes, business lounge.
What do you need? Thank you so much. Do we go in from here?
Yes.
Thank you. No entry, no entry. Boarding pass. So you've got luggage storage. If you want to store your luggage, you can just pick one of these lockers. Over here, you've got the prayer room. This is the prayer room and this is the nursery. So the main lounge is on the other side. This is the newsroom. I don't know what's happening over here, but I'm assuming you can place some orders. This is like a history room, I'm assuming. It's a mini museum for Turkish Airlines. It's all mainly in Turkish, so I'm not really gonna understand. Not bad for a lounge from past to present. You can grab some drinks, yogurt, anything from here. How do we know what each station is serving? Like there's so many different stations serving different types of food, but with no signs. Like the only thing we could figure out is the salad bar. Other than that, it's kind of weird.
Hi, hello. Where is this? What do you have? What? But can I see, please? Is it cheese inside?
Cheese and tomato.
Tomato. Can I have one, please? I take it. Thank you so much. Cheers. This is so tasty. Jay, for some reason, doesn't want to eat anything. Just taste this.
What is this?
I didn't get the name. It's some kind of cheese. It's so good.
After spending at least 2 hours,
Yeah, kind of.
2 hours inside the lounge, I can confirm that it's an okay business lounge, to be honest. I've seen better, I've been to better. It felt a little boring inside, but nevertheless, the stations, the food stations, we had a very big variety of food stations all around. It's quiet, it's comfortable.
Yeah, it's big. It's I like the vibe actually.
Pierette enjoyed it
Yeah.
so much more than I did.
I like the lounge.
Not bad, not bad. For our final stop inside this airport, we're now going into hour number 5. So during our 5th hour, we're going for the sleeping pods to try them out. So just to add a little bit of value, I'm going to be comparing the sleeping pods in this airport to the sleeping pods in Doha Airport. Just to give a little context, which is quieter, which is more comfy. Let's go and check them out. We're gonna sleep for like at least 45 to 60 minutes before we head to our gate and check in to our flight. 2 people, please. Sure. Are there any chargers inside the pods? Amazing. Amazing.
Exit time is maybe 2 a.m. If there is no wake up service.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna leave before. Just 1 hour. So you have these prices in case you don't have the Dragon Pass. These are the prices you pay. During the times we're at right now, it's 26 euros an hour. But because we have the Dragon Pass, it's basically free of charge. Thank you so much. Thanks. These are the pods.
Where can we charge our phones? Can we charge our
Yeah, yeah.
phones? Yeah. All right. Cool. Thank you so much.
So both are for us? Those two?
These two?
Yeah, thank you. So first things first is, and I can charge right now, which is very important. Close this. Hello. All right, guys, this is it. This is the pod. My bag is right next to me. And the pillow is right over here. And this is how you close. So basically, you have these where you can put your fingers inside and you start pulling. You start pulling, pulling. This is it. I'm inside the pod. Good night. That was a good sleep, to be honest. And to be fair, we needed that 1 hour sleep. Did we manage to fall asleep? I don't know. Did you manage to fall asleep?
I was scared to miss the flight.
I wasn't scared, but I couldn't sleep once I was inside. I was going through some posts on my phone, checking my Instagram. It was very relaxing, but we couldn't sleep, we couldn't fall asleep. Too much excitement going on through our heads. Just to quickly compare Doha Airport with Istanbul Airport sleeping pods. In Doha, it was much quieter. You go inside a closed room. The pods are inside a closed room. Over here, the difference is that it's an open air, so you can hear the noise all around, like the airport noise. You can hear everything all around you, so it's not very quiet. However, it's very clean. The pillow was magical. I can use this pillow to sleep on at home.
Yeah, it's comfy.
In Doha, you had more options for different pods. Over here, it's one pod. I guess this is about it for Istanbul Airport. We did some duty-free shopping, we had some dinner, we checked out the lounge, and finally we tried the sleeping pods. My final verdict, Istanbul Airport is kind of cool. There's plenty to do, but it's very expensive. It's a huge airport, and I would definitely recommend, like, if you have a long layover, you have plenty to do and to waste time. Do I rate it? Yes, I do rate it. It's cool. Will we do it again? Will we do a layover here ever again? Maybe. You never know. So we're off to our flight. I guess I will see you on the plane in a new video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the share button. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.